Good content coming your way. DIYers, I don't know. Maybe it was a shop. I don't know. But you definitely don't want your catch can above the engine. I was telling Caleb that in water vapor, right? And there's actually moisture. It still goes through there. The moisture is heavier than the vapor. Mm-hmm. And then as it condenses, right, as it goes up and cools off, you may not be getting it might be just dripping right back down into your engine, being counterproductive for even doing this.
Pull the cap and see if it's...
No. I told them I'm not touching this. Either they pay us to see if it's ever been maintenance, or take it off.
I said the oil cap, not that.
Yeah, we're not touching it. So if you're installing a catch can or whatever they call it nowadays to sell products, you don't want it above the engine. You kind of want it so that the water vapor has more of an opportunity to run downhill. Like, is my car still set up?
What do you mean?
My catch cans? Yeah.
Yeah.
For a more efficient system. So I'll show you where my cans are. And actually, I'm going to change all this. Here are my catch cans here. And then they come off the top of the valve covers and they run downhill, so that you have the most efficient way of scavenging the byproducts of combustion, which is going to be water vapor, or depending on how your engine is. It could be worse. It could be whatever the case is. You want it to run downhill. Like, that just makes sense. So don't if you're putting these type of things in here and you're trying to have 100% effectiveness, I'm going to tell you, this is not effectiveness. This is just sheer, I don't know what I'm doing here. So just like the brake job, whoever put this on really, I mean, how much easier would it have been for them to, I don't know, just zip tie it to the master cylinder. This is the best right here. Look at that. Look on top of that spark plug where the the nut broke off the exhaust manifold, and it's pinched between the manifold and the spark plug wire shield. Mm-hmm. There's supposed to be a nut there for the manifold. Yeah, you actually have to know what you're doing here to make things work successfully sometimes. Thanks for watching.